Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Desi Review. Remember Zayn Malik? Oh yes, I know all the youngsters are obsessed. Everybody is listening his very awesome music. Today, trust me guys, I'm just freaking out to start this review. I'm beyond excited and surprised that Zayn Malik dropped a new song collabing a Pakistani band, or the name of the song is Tu Hai Kahan. Actually, it's a lot of respect for Zayn Malik that he collabed with a new band of Pakistan named Or. The beat, tempo are incredibly crazy and they are smoothly floating. And secondly, the music and the lyrics are contrasting each other with a lot of compliments. Emotions can easily be felt in their vocals. They are very soft. Oh my god. It's really freaking crazy to listen Zayn Malik singing in Urdu. It's out of this world when he sings and he expresses his voice with emotions and with lot of high and low pitch. It's like he really enjoys the song. Freakingly damn guys, freakingly damn. It's really effects here, direct here. On the other hand, Or the band is really capable of creating a very nice music, and the lyrics and the way they sing is really nice. I like the tempo of this song. I'll call them the musical magicians, and the future is for Or. So finally, I will star this song 5/5 because of its lyrics, composition, music, and a beautiful magical collaboration. We hope that Zayn Malik will also create his own solo songs in Urdu. So good luck. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share with other people, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that my coming reviews should come to you first. Take care for now. Bye bye.